welcome to Sydney Sisters and welcome to the second day of Cookmas.
And guys, we hope you've been enjoying it so far. In today's video, we're going to make the classic gingerbread man, but we're doing a little twist because our mum bought us a gingerbread girl. So you can either do the traditional gingerbread man or use this.
The ingredients you'll need is 2.5 cups of plain flour, a teaspoon of bicarb soda, a tablespoon of ground ginger, a teaspoon of mixed spice, and 1/2 cup of golden syrup.
We'll be needing 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 125 grams of butter at room temperature. You'll also be needing 1 egg yolk and also the royal icing. And if you want us to show you guys how to make it, then maybe in a future video we'll show you guys. So,
and make sure you get your cookie cutter. Okay, so let's get started. Before we start, make sure to preheat your oven to 180 degrees.
Okay guys, now you want to start mixing your ingredients. So instead of using the hand mixer, you can use that if you want, but just to make it a bit easier, I think we're going to use our KitchenAid. So first you want to add in your brown sugar, and then you want to add your softened butter. That was at room temperature, but because we've been doing other stuff, kind of left it out a bit longer, so it's a bit softer. But if it is at room temperature, then maybe still cut it up, but I'll just add it in. So guys, after you put it in your mixing bowl, now you want to cream the butter and sugar until it's light and fluffy, and also it'll be like a light brown. So guys, after you finish creaming the butter, and probably get it to that color as you saw in the last clip, or you could go a little bit lighter, but if you're impatient like me and Josie, we really want to make this, so yeah. So now you want to add in your 1 egg yolk into the mix. Then you want to add your 1/2 cup of golden syrup. Okay guys, so after you put the rest of your ingredients in, so the golden syrup and the egg yolk, now you want to beat it until it's all combined. Okay guys, so this is vlog style, and by the way, if you can kind of see a bit of a change in daylight time, so yeah, so if we're not in the exact same outfit, well, that's because it's nighttime.
Pajamas,
YouTuber life.
Okay, so you want to add 1 tablespoon of ground ginger into your whatever this
wet
is.
mixture.
Wet mixture. And then a teaspoon of mixed spice. So now we're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of bicarb soda. And then you want to add your flour. Then you can just mix it all. Okay guys, so we just kneaded the dough, and now we're going to put it in the fridge to chill for 30 minutes, but we're going to leave it overnight, and we'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Hello guys, so it is the next night / day. It is dark outside, as you can kind of see. It's like getting dark. It's like 7:30, nearly 8 o'clock.
Yeah.
So we are just getting ready for the video. So I'm going to show you guys what we've done first. This beautiful header. So yeah. So we've got this like blue rolling thing on that we just got from like Maya or something. So, but you can just get use your bench and spread flour onto it. Not too much because you don't want your cookies floury. So just put a bit of flour on it. And we've got our cookie dough over here. So yeah.
Hey guys, so we just got our dough out of the fridge, and now you want to do is roll it out with a rolling pin. So Josie, can do the honors. And then while she's rolling it, you probably want to get your cookie cutter ready to go. And as we said at the beginning of the video, we have like a gingerbread girl, but you can use the classic gingerbread man cookie. And then also, guys, as you can probably see in the background, we do have our cookie tray lined. So probably each time you cut one out, you probably want to put it onto your baking tray in your preheated oven at 180 degrees. Log style.
Okay guys, now we get to cookie cut this. Ready? Get some close up shot. Yay! Our first lady.
Beautiful. And then after you cut it out, as I said, you want to put it onto your baking tray. So once you're done, it's already all on there, and then you can just chuck it in the oven.
Okay guys, so we just took the gingerbread men out of the oven and we just let them cool for around 10 to 15 minutes. Now we're going to taste test them. Since it's like getting late, it's like time for us to go to bed, so we're just gonna have half of a cookie that was extra dough that we had.
Yeah.
So let's taste test.
We blew on it and then we said that was it.
It's so good. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe down below.
And make sure you comment down below any video requests that you want us to do for the new year. Any questions, I'll be happy to answer and do that video for you guys.
See you guys next time. Bye!